Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters who wear cat heads and use my content and titles in their videos, or trolls. And the iPad is working fine. I've managed to add some music to it. I'm listening to music. And I have to fully connect it to the internet to get it fully installed and all that. But I've been looking on the web. As you know, I own cats, or they own me. I don't know which. And one of the things I buy at $3 a bottle or so every month, or is this, or every couple of months. Well, this is impossible to find unless you go on eBay. You want to pay $40 for it. Incredible. I saw one for $60. Incredible price gouging. Another thing you can't find is bleach. And they also have these, which I also buy. I filled it full of the stuff from this so I could do cleaning. And I use it to clean the cat boxes out, the floors, and all that. You can find bleach cleaning and Lysol cleaning products for your toilet, but you cannot use that on the cat boxes because it'll burn the cat's feet. And I suspect you're not going to find cleanser because all the stores are out of cleanser. You probably won't find scope because they were out of scope. They had lots of Listerine, but and they didn't have any Arm & Hammer detergent, which is what I use because I can't use Tide or Cheer or something like that because my skin makes me itch like crazy. And I looked on Amazon, I looked on Walmart, there's nothing. And when they say Clorox, it says in store only, and it's like spinning the roulette wheel. You don't never going to get in or not. So I thought I'd let you know what's not out there and go from there. Now it took me forever to figure out that the iPad copied a video from the iPad to my desktop because I couldn't find it. And finally found it. So I went down in front of Barrel East and filmed nothing. There was one car. There was a car that went by, a truck that went by me and turned right. There was a guy on a bicycle that went by me. There was a car going down the next street over briefly. And when by the senior center, there was a car that made a U-turn. And they stopped and parked and played their music, and then they took off. So that's all that was out there. Nobody walking their dogs or any. Of course, it was 10 o'clock at night, but still. And normally on the street, you know, when the bars are open, they're open to 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning or whatever. There may be a local ordinance to have them close early. I don't know. But there's people always standing out in front of the bars, schmoozing and talking and smoking cigarettes and everything else. Nobody. I think the liquor store might have been open, but I'm not sure the lights are on. But no one was driving down. There's a non-stop stream of people buying lotto and snacks and food and, you know, booze and beer. None of that. So we have a situation in Martinez that looks like the movie On the Beach. And same, my friend Paul said, in San Francisco, the streets are empty. Las Vegas, the same deal. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I might go out in the daytime and take a walk after cat feeding and see what's out there, what's going on in the world. Pretty Kitty came up, Pretty Gray Kitty, and I fed him too. So everybody got fed tonight. Orangey got fed, Tiny One, Gray, Mama Cat, Kitten, my kitties, and I cleaned the area of the one burner on the stove and threw out a bunch of stuff. And I'm going to bag the bottles up because the bugs seem to like the bottles. I'm going to have to tie that off. And I found a big bottle of bleach under the sink, so I poured bleach down all 3 drains. I have noticed that when I put the vinegar, baking soda, and salt solution in the boiling vinegar down the drain, it did cut the bugs down a lot. I don't have a gigantic cloud like I first had. They went little girl. All right, this is George Senda. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay warm and dry, cool and dry, or cool and dry, and stay safe. And I think I'm going to go to bed. I just threw all the recycling out because they also like. I was washing out the cat food cups, and they like to hover around the recycling bins. So you have these things. You've got to get rid of all food sources that's open. Anything, cat food or bits of food in the sink or whatever. They don't seem to care about dry cat food though, but they want anything wet. They like wetness. All right, I'll catch you later, and I'll see you in the morning sometime when I get up. It's 2:43 in the morning. My God, I've been sitting here and didn't even realize what time it is. Okay, bye bye for now.